How to fix Google Play Store crashing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store crashing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Google Play Store and then click force stop, and now go to storage and click clear data, click OK. And that's it. Now click right system settings, make sure it's enabled, and then go back and clean some space. You can just delete some photos and videos, and that's it. Then restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.